He trying to give the scoreboard company here. Missing shots, turning the ball over. Caleb Martin connects. Miami playing without Jimmy Butler and without Bam Adebayo, and with those two guys out, they've gotten a huge lift from this guy, Tyler Hero. So you've got to be able to be mentally tough and play through some of this contact.
You do, and sometimes you have to use physicality. Oh, goodness, I'm not going to say watch your head, that's us. But sometimes you have to use physicality against teams if you know they're going to be aggressive.
Kyle Lowry gets it on the glass, and it's going to be a goaltend against John Collins. John leans into the big man. Hand off to Hero. Turns the corner. Lob. Dunk. Quick bounce. Yurtseven give and go to Vincent. He lays it in. Beautiful play out of the timeout from Miami. Yurtseven right to the hole. Missed it. Out to Hero. Back to Yurtseven. He doesn't miss this dunk. And he's got 6. 94-78. And a steal by Gabe Vincent. Hero, wide open 3. Tipped in by the big fella. Timeout. Takes Herter with him into the paint. Robinson from the wing. No. Rebound Yurtseven. Big rebound from Miami. Hero, bullseye. Tyler Hero, you cannot relax. Tyler Hero brings it down with 4:22 to play.
Now he's a streaky guy, so he's going to want to shoot it.
Lob broken up by Collins. Yurtseven gets it back. Collins tackles him. It's going to be an and one. The Hawks are looking at a mind-boggling 9th consecutive home court loss. Yurtseven bangs it home.
He's been great.
They have hit 19 or more threes in a game 20 times.
Yeah.
They have done it 6 times since the 1st of December.
Oh, my goodness, and then they want to go dunk it now. He gets to wherever he wants to go.
Baseline cutting Hunter, blocked by Yurtseven, and out of bounds. We have a jump ball on the block.